So here's how to add user account in Windows 11. Start by clicking on the Start button at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the Windows Start menu, which provides a central location to access applications, settings, files, and more. Here, click on the settings icon as shown. You will then be taken to the settings page. From here, go to Accounts. You can view your account information over here. Go to the left panel and click on Family and Other Users. You can add family members or other users to this PC from here. Click on the plus icon under Other Users. Here, type in the email address or phone number of the person you want to add. Then, click on Next. After that, complete all the steps required to add them to your PC. And that's it. You can now easily add user account in Windows 11.